All right, kids, what's up? Professor Thomas here with some insight for PSAT and for AP exams here. If you go to Google, you simply type in collegeprep.uworld.com. You're going to see this link right here. It says full-length ACT practice tests, just like the real ones. We're going to go ahead and just click on that. You're going to go to UWorld College Prep. All right. Once you're over here, let's go ahead and hover over the products, and let's just do a quick review here. So here is what we're going to focus on for today, PSAT. But also, if you sign up for a free 1-week trial, you don't need a credit card. There are stuff over here, and it's a resource for you in the future. We have AP stuff, AP Biochem, AP Environmental Science, AP Physics, AP Literature, AP Lang. You have AP History, Psychology, Government, all the AP classes, including AP, Calc, ABBC, and Stats. This was a valuable resource for you going forward. All right, for today's purposes, we're going to go ahead and hover over PSAT NMSQT, National Merit Scholar. Click on that, and you're going to see free trials. Let's go ahead and click on this. And if you're interested in anything else, the PSAT and the SAT Digital are the same thing. This is an opportunity for you to see exactly what this is going to look like on test day. If you're interested in any of these other classes that you're taking in your junior year, simply just click on these as well. Once you get done with that, just simply click sign up for free. There's no credit card that's required. All right. So once you click on sign up for free, you see here it says checkout, it's 0. Click on that, and you're going to need to fill out the information here. Register first name, last name, email, password, and then hit register. Once you register for UWorld, you're going to go ahead and click on the link, and you're going to see a box that looks like this. It says Digital SAT Question Bank. All right, so we'll go ahead and click on launch, and we're going to go ahead here. It says create a quick test questions in an untimed tutor mode, or you want to do it with time. Okay, personalize what you're looking for in the topics and so forth, and then the test mode, decide whether to test in a tutor mode and view explanations, or if you just want the timed untimed mode. All right, so I'll walk you through all this. All right, so we're going to do the timed tutor mode here, and then just simply come over here and hit start. All right, once this starts up, we've got a bunch of tools here that you're going to have access to. There's a graphing calculator. You can annotate, highlight, and you can keep this for future reference sheet, and so forth. Go ahead and just look at this, hit next, and then here is the questions that we're looking for. All right, so click on that, and here we go. So it says cafeteria worker, blah, 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 blah. You're looking for your answer. If you come back over here, here's your calculator. You can go ahead and do whatever you want on your calculator. Let's say that you want to annotate. You can click on this button here, and you can highlight some stuff that will annotate it. If you want to go ahead and just put it in yellow, it looks like that. Pretty cool. And then here you just type in your answer. Let's just say I go 231, and then hit submit. All right, it's wrong. It will give you what the explanation is, and you can hit next. Now here's the timer up here at the top. It gives you an idea of how much time it is. It did stop the timer after you hit the answer, and then you can go ahead and hit next. You got some more stuff over here. All right, we're going to play around with this on our Saturday session and in our PSAT Tuesday and Wednesday session. So once again, it is UWorld. Go ahead and register. Bring your laptop to class. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.